If you're getting this message when you start your vehicle, you need to replace the key in your remote. And let's go inside. I'll show you how to do that. This is going to save you some money doing it yourself because the dealership's going to charge you about $40. All right, so I have the key fob here, and first thing you're going to do is turn it over. And you're going to notice there's like a little lever right there that you can move to the side. So you're going to push up on that and then remove the key from the key fob. And then you can use the key to kind of like pry this open, or you can most likely just separate it with your fingers like so. And then you open it up and there's your battery, and it takes a CR2032. I'll put a link down in the description below for where you can get this battery. You're just going to lift that out, and again you can use either a screwdriver or your finger, just like so. And here I have a 2032 right here, Energizer. You're going to put that one in there and make sure that the plus symbol is facing upwards. And that's it. And then you're going to put the key fob back together, and you kind of just line up your ends there, and it'll snap into place just like so. And then you can put your key back in like that, and there you go. You're ready to go. There you go. So if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, more videos coming soon. Thanks.